Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Omo, you right, don't come outside, can't they reply Ruben Neves where they complain say Arsenal they celebrate like say they don't win league, you get, say in the last 10 years you never see them celebrate like that. So Ruben Neves, you right, can't tag that tweet where you post, that comment where you post, can't tweet you and say I am still celebrating, you get, they pay you, make you pay like mad. So why just they talk that one, even many Arsenal followers waiting for Twitter say come follow and celebrate, you get, they talk say Ruben Neves no understand how Arsenal fans feel. And away from that, some people can't dey of the opinion say this Ruben Neves now Arsenal the reason say they won't sign at the end of the summer, make it no be say in loud mouths now we can't make Arsenal fans can't dislike him. Arsenal fans will can't hate him because of the nonsense comments where he make say Arsenal they celebrate like say they don't win league, say ordinary wolves say they beat, you know, all those kinds of things. Well, I never know whether that one go make Arteta can't dislike the guy, but I know Arteta don't be that kind of person. If you like you don't like you, well, put the watch out. About Gilberto Silva don't come outside, can't send message to a fellow Brazilian man who they call Martinelli after that red card. So Baba call the reason I'm saying make you no reason I'm saying the red card was strange, you get, and you are not the one to blame, you get, say me no reason the matter, even though Baba come outside for social media come post say in they very upset. So but thank God say the guys fought hard to defend their 1-goal lead. Say you know understand why he go collect that kind of red card. Get this red card said it don't cause many controversies. Many people don't come outside they in support of the red card. Some people say come outside they against the red card. So different referees don't come outside come voice out their own opinion about the matter. So we'll see the reason about the red card see now. But at the same time, former referee where they call Mark Clattenburg don't come outside call the talk say this Michael Oliver decision say they very harsh, you get, say if na him, if I not give the guy that kind 2 yellow with 1 straight red card, but the law back Michael Oliver to give him that kind of 2 yellow card because now 2 separate offenses. And what people go understand me say the first offense when Dwayne push that guy, the reason we make Mike Oliver no stop play because some people they say okay as they push that guy why he no stop the play because as he no stop him Martinelli no know say he don't already dey on the yellow card and as he no know he can go do another offense, but if to say he don't know he no go offend another thing again, you get, na the excuse, na the argument wey some people they bring. So my class member dey talk say at the same time Mike Oliver leave that so that Wolves go get advantage to play on because they don't throw fast throw, you get, the ball can't go meet Chiquinho don't dey through on goal, you get, for the right flank so that he go fit square play, you get, before Martinelli can run go collect ball. And Michael Oliver being the referee, he no be juju man, now he no get foresight, he no fit know say in the future Martinelli go still go cause another punishable offense, you get, because he don't commit one punishable offense they do play on, which means that yellow card still they wait for you, but they just do play on say make we see wetin go sup. So you can't run go front and you go do another bookable offense. So Michael Oliver had no choice, he followed the letter of the law. In the spirit of the law, he has to give him 2 cards, so he can't give him yellow for that old one and yellow for the new one. But this kind of incident, you get, they don't talk say it happened, the last time it happened at like 2005, one Northern Irish game where somebody collects 2 yellow cards for something to happen in 1 line of passage, in 1 line. So it don't happen before and a 2 yellow card with 1 red card the guy collects. Say it might sound harsh, but at the end of the day the guy followed the law and nobody will complain. Omo, surprise go to the year now be say Real Madrid the reason Arsenal say they go like to collect Kylian Tierney to go replace their own left back. Say the guy go make sense for their own side, so I never know how it go be, but I know say my darling Arsenal no go fit sell Tierney. They don't go fit sell him. Kenny we don't talk to cult hero, we don't be favorites now. No, they can't try it. If they try and the fans go revolt because we don't want to replace him. We go fit give us that energetic athleticism wey Tierney they give us. Maybe they don't try him, I beg. Rio Ferdinand will be one of our super pundits and Manchester United legend don't come outside come talk about Arsenal top 4 chances. Come talk say Arsenal no go fit end up for the top 4, saying they see that kind of Man U, all those kind of sports, saying and then go fit end up. And in own reason when they give say Arsenal no go fit end up for top 4, be say Arsenal no dey score enough. That is why they no go fit end up for there. How many goals Manchester United they score? If we say Arsenal no dey score enough, how many goals did they score with their Ronaldo? How many goals Ronaldo don't score of late self? Shebi na Ragnick, I read one news this morning where Ragnick they complain say Ronaldo is not scoring enough. So now even the guys they talk say they don't cost them. Say all their rivals don't they above them. Because they talk say and they like when people they turn us down, when they look down on us so that we go front get. Even as so when they come outside, say they go knock us back. At the end of the day, what's happen? You don't come outside now, because they challenge us. Well, book with the watch ya. The International Football Association Board, which they call IFAB, they don't come outside, they explain Martinelli red card at the same time. So what is that they explain now? The same thing way Matt Clattenburg don't explain. Now they don't explain, so we can know to talk plenty. So I just want to let you know, say different association and don't they talk about the same thing because this is a big issue. Many people don't they talk about that because don't forget, because Ateta come outside, challenge the officials, challenge the officiating board, say I go like make una come outside, come explain to us how this thing take be 2 yellow cards turning to red because this thing happened in one line of passage. Nobody say it happened that side, come happen. It is just one line of passage, the same line. Now it happened. So why couldn't the referee be more lenient? Because Ateta they talk say for the referee to give him 2 yellow cards, that means the referee was very willing to give us a red card. And why is it that referees are more harsh to Arsenal players? Please give us an explanation because in the 18 years what I don't do for this league, I never see something like this. Myself, since I don't follow football, I know what life on. I never see something like this. I don't know whether I don't see him before. Now through research, I can't hear say 2012 it happened before. They give the guy 2 yellow card. So IFAB don't come outside reiterate the same thing when Matt Clattenburg they talk say Mike Oliver in the rights within the law to give him 2 yellow card. At the end of the day, it comes down to the referee's discretion. It comes down to the referee's state of mind. If people say Mike Oliver down the pan and say, I go do that, I go push this guy, go from go knock chicken again. Don't be say even do shoulder to shoulder, we go talk say okay now shoulder to shoulder. Can't give him body checking, you don't even go for ball, nothing. That kind of thing. Mike Oliver, I don't even waste time. Let's say team Pepper and say, this boy, are you take a look at take a so that's how it just be. So everything done dey clearer now. So for those who still dey ask say how it take be red card, how it no take be red card, why referee dey wicked us, una don understand how it be now. Clinton Morrison, maybe one of our super pundits, they talk for BBC, so they ask him about Arsenal goalkeeper. So back on talk say almost say Ramsdale. The Rams they don't do many good things for Arsenal because the guy don't dey brilliant since when he joined Arsenal and nobody gave this guy a chance when Arsenal first signed him because he don't go relegation with 2 different teams like Bournemouth and Sheffield United. But look at the things he's doing. Look at that Wolves game. See the saves in the pool. They say this clean sheet where Ramsey don't keep for this season in 34 games last season. Let them no keep him. People bad. They don't go dig out that kind of statistics. Dig out. And also all those Leno loyalists now they'll come out and call the verse. Okay, men are no verse. I talk that thing. No, it is what it is. At the same time, former referee where they call Mark Hasley don't come out and they talk say that Martinelli red card self it did very harsh. Say Michael Oliver could have handled it differently. Get and then when I talk say this thing they cause controversy. Many people they choke man. All those former referee, many people don't come outside and talk about the same thing. So this one they talk say if say na him. If I don't give the guy 2 yellow and 1 red, highest 1 yellow, maybe he go just punish him for the new one. He go just back the former one, punish him for the new one. Then that former one, you go call him. You go first of all talk to the player, like give him warning. Don't talk to him. Don't give him 1 yellow. Everybody go understand. Say okay, you just give him warning. Don't be say bag. You get. Even another referee they call Hackett. Hackett self come outside call the talk say say if na him say him go do the same thing, say him go give the guy a red card. You know, many people get their own different opinion, so it is what it is. Like I said, don't come outside they apologize for that miss, that sitter, that chance on the platter of gold we miss. The workout say more no verse. No say the thing don't go viral. I believe say instead go run scamp and say they miss this guy. Because say okay, make him just talk about the thing. Because say more no verse, say miss and say go do more training, go work hard for the training to make sure say he do good at in finishing. Because say thank God say we win. You get just talk plenty. Well, my happiness be say at the end of the summer you are finding your square root. At this age, at this stage in your life, in your career, you still want to do training about your finishing. You are almost 31 years. How many games don't play in your life? Don't come up for your peak. Now you want to do training. Baba, now how many games you man? 16 games. You still be a bygone. EA Sports don't host Miss Petro as a future star. They name him as a future star. They can't give him one plaque. It will be like small award. Say he's the star that you should look out or watch out for in the future. So are they very happy? So they give the guy that kind of opportunity. No praise him, give him some accolades because he really deserves it. That guy na my highest goal scorer. Just scored 9 goals in no competition, 8 in the league, 1 in the cup. That's very good though. They try. You get. don't score. Even another statistics going to come outside yesterday talk say Gabriel Magalhaes don't score 3 goals in 20-something matches, whereas Lacazette scored 3 goals in 17. So maybe they will just carry Lacazette to partner Gabriel Magalhaes for defense. Since we say our defender and our striker they scored the same number of goals, maybe we just go defense. No, some people cruise everywhere, cruise. What you want to hear from Italia Serie B, we say Como, maybe one club there, see that the reason Wilshere, even their sporting director, can just come as I talk, say Wilshere, they need them bad, say they not just want need them for buying, say they really need the guy for more roles. I never know which role they won't give him, but they really need Wilshere main go there. So I never know whether Wilshere self would like to go Italia Serie B, go join Como. But anyway, this news they materialize, I will let you know. Kevin Campbell said don't come outside. Can't they praise Cedric Suarez for the way when they play for Arsenal, everything don't do for us, the way when they display against Wolves. You know, so many people they talk say from he has to know day. So whether Cedric will try and best, you gotta try and best because more people they talk say whether I made them play Ben White for that right back, I believe I made them play Cedric Suarez and the guy play, he fought with his life, he played very well. So Kevin Campbell can't come outside and I can't talk say Cedric don't try and best. It is time for somebody else to come and be a deputy for Tomiyasu because Tomiyasu, if in the there, is big, is bullish, is aggressive, is very athletic. You know, they give it different dynamism, different style of play. Guys, you know, if you just beat them easily, aerially in the there, for grand in the there, you know, if you just beat them. But Cedric don't offer you all those different dimensions. You get. So don't forget, say with the recent Jet Spence, so one collect them from Middlesbrough, to all these different options. At the same time, see the recent Tarek Lamptey of Brighton, so many options there. So if we look for somebody they very athletic, that Lamptey, that one self, na senior man, no, forgetting that Smalley. So I never know how everything will be. So now at the end of the summer, because I know say we are looking for a right back cover. I know say we are looking for a right back at the end of the summer, Sha. Fabrizio Romano don't come and say going give us one kind breaking news updates. Baba can tell us say Leicester City don't offer Yuri Tillemans a new contract, and Baba don't reject them, saying no they sign, saying the reason saying won't leave at the end of the summer. So if Leicester know what's good for them, they sell and collect money. Otherwise, after this season now, Baba go turn to one final season before you know you don't turn to free agents. You don't go see money from your hand. Manchester United, Arsenal, and Chelsea, the reason they matter. But I know say the best place for him to go, it go be Arsenal, where he go stand a chance to play because all those Granit Xhaka and if find their square root at the end of the summer because all those indiscipline, I'm gonna get as it be. So now say just be. Our Piers Morgan, we be celebrity Arsenal fan, but I don't come and say I can't talk say we still lack a top striker. You get, even though we win against Wolves, so Baba come and say we lack top striker, and at the same time say we lack a real leader and a real captain. You get. Say and we get the disciplinary issues in general. You know, once you make me know like this man be say the guy don't see anything good about Arsenal as long as Mikel Arteta did there because he get this huge hate, as in he hates Arteta with passion. You know, like I don't say him now, him be Aubameyang loyalist, so I understand where he's coming from. But that does not mean if Arsenal do well, you no go praise them. How can a 10-man down team, a team say play with 10 man, well they lose one person, they fight for their lives, they still win. If you can't praise them, now negative, you can't come on. There's time to bring your negative energy and it's time to bring your positive energy. You're supposed to know you get, but by they criticize the team, they then get disciplinary issues and they don't get leader, they don't get captain. So like I said, no be better captain. Well, no yawa at the end of the summer, we'll buy a new striker. And at the same time, Piers Morgan said, come as I can't reply Ruben Neves when they talk say will they celebrate like so we win the league. So if I can't tell them talk say, see, una wey we say una dey play with 11 man, una dey play against 10 man, una no get passion. Say that thing wey Arsenal dey display, it's called passion, you get. So if they say una get that same passion, una no supposed to lose against 10 men. This Piers Morgan, they wan get bad mouth, wallahi. Or even in your right self and Repalo, they can't come as I can't debate about these disciplinary issues when many people they talk about Arsenal because for Mikel Arteta reign, they yet say they don't collect like 15 red cards ever since Mikel Arteta enter Arsenal, and we don't collect the highest. The second people they be behind us, they did like 8 red cards, you get. So Ian Conley talk say, see this red card issue now. No be say we dey do some kind bad tackle. Sometimes na some kind silly things. We're not supposed to warrant red card. So for example, now look at Xhaka. That's what you talk. He say look at Xhaka. Some kind of things we don't do, we don't give us red card. Okay, look at this Martinelli own now. No be say na malicious tackle you get. Na just in the spirit of the game you get. Just they carry the way you get. Just happen like that. So no be say Arsenal get one kind bad tackle with bad mentality, they break people's leg, all those kinds of things. No, there's some kind of silly, meaningless tackles, things that are unnecessary, things that are avoidable. So now just they give us this red card. No be say we did very bad. Well, that's what it just be. So if you know watch yesterday's show, my dear football lovers, check the top left corner of the screen. We'll see the thumbnail. Click and make you get all the updates waiting for Arsenal, because yesterday update and today updates are more than different too. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Like, get out.